We are pleased to show you the 2014 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, tires, front all season. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.